Hey there, everybody. So this is to just go along with what's posted to Google Classroom right now to kind of go through why there may be markings in PowerSchool that say you're absent, even though we're not actually physically in school right now. Basically, we finally got instruction from the AOE and Mr. Donnerum that we do need to take attendance during this time to show that we are providing learning opportunities and you guys are accessing education, all that. It's like a bunch of legal, cross the T's, dot the I's, all that stuff. How we're going to do that is if a teacher has not received any work from you in 5 instructional days, so one whole school week, the following Monday or Tuesday, you will be marked as absent in PowerSchool. If you are marked as absent, the teacher who you didn't do any work for, or at least one of them, will reach out. So there's only going to be one teacher reaching out to you to either talk about social studies work, or you might not have done anything for me for social studies, but you also missed stuff for Miss Holt that week for English. So I would talk to you about social studies and English. But you'll be marked absent in a class if you have turned in 0 amounts of work for 5 instructional days. So for one school week, 5 straight days, if you haven't turned in any work of any sort, that is what will mark you absent. And then one of us will be reaching out to talk to you and or your adult or adults.